Do you know the detailed production process of electronic cigarettes? Today, I will reveal each production detail and its corresponding function. Everyone is welcome to express their opinions. The first thing that comes into view is the soldering position. The operator will stick the flux on the part that needs soldering to make the welding position more solid, so as to avoid false welding or loose welding leading to poor contact. This is a technical position. The second position is battery detection. Each battery will be 100% tested before assembly. In order to avoid the defect found in the subsequent process after assembly, it will take a lot of time to disassemble and assemble again. RF464 Shisha Beast 25,000 puffs. We use a battery with a larger capacity than the market, 1000 mAh. The third position is to inject smoke liquid. The machine sets a fixed smoke liquid capacity, and then inserts it into the bottom through the instrument, so that the smoke liquid penetrates better, so as to avoid poor taste and seriously cause the mesh core to burn out, etc. The fourth position is to detect charging. The second position before is to detect whether the battery can supply power normally. Now this position is to 100% detect whether the battery can be charged. If it cannot be charged, it will be a very bad experience for consumers. The fifth position is to blow and shrink the insulating sleeve. The insulating sleeve on the solder interface is blown and shrunk by a high-temperature gun to avoid the instability of the insulating sleeve position, which causes the two welding positions to be close together and short-circuited. The sixth position is to fix the line near the battery through insulating tape. The main purpose is to assemble the subsequent positions to avoid complicated lines and poor assembly. The seventh position is to place the battery in a fixed card slot and fix it further. Double-sided tape is pasted on the background of the display screen to avoid poor battery displacement caused by transportation or falling. Then this position installs the cover on the cigarette bin. The main function of this cover is to seal the cigarette liquid bin to avoid oil leakage. The eighth position is to fix other routes or fixed lines again, and then place them well, so that the assembly personnel behind can assemble more conveniently, so as to avoid unknown risks such as clutter and collision. The ninth position is to install the internal organs assembled in the front into the cigarette pipe. At this stage, the overall assembly process is almost completed. Next comes our very important link. The 10th position is to 100% test whether the electronic cigarette can work normally and whether the appearance is intact. The 11th position is to seal the electronic cigarettes that have passed the test to prevent the flavor from volatilizing due to airflow. You can also pay attention to this point in daily use. If you don't seal it for a long time, it won't have much impact in a short time. Finally, wipe it clean and pack it for shipment. Thank you for watching. I will continue to update you to explain the production process of electronic cigarettes. Please subscribe.
아, 자, 뭐.